welcome back. Hello if you're new. I'm going to turn a light on. Hey, let there be light. Okay, I usually don't look, like I literally just rolled out of bed, but it is 8 o'clock in the morning and I have already got my kids off to school and my dryer is going. I'm gonna go shut the door. So today's video is gonna be just a dinner recipe. I'm gonna be cooking Mississippi pot roast. It is so stinking good. A lot of the time they tell you to sear it in the skillet. I don't do that. I don't have time for that, nor do I want to do that. And I still think it turns out pretty darn good. So we're gonna get my crock pot. We're gonna get out all the stuff we need and we will get into it. I usually put a crock pot bag in. Lifesaver, I promise. So I'm gonna spray the crock pot with olive oil spray. It's just what I use. I don't use the butter kind or whatever. So I go ahead and turn mine on high just to get it warmed up and going. I turn mine on high till, like it says 8. I'll probably keep it on high until lunchtime. Okay, so I always lay the fat side up, because then all those juices go down, even though we are putting a stick of butter on it. And yes, there's soy sauce still out. Okay, I've got to clean my kitchen. Video. All right, so I sprinkle a ranch packet, the salad dressing seasoning mix. I just sprinkle that on top. And then au jus gravy mix. We love roast in our house. Okay. And I put this stick of butter on there. Okay. And then pepperoncinis. So, guys, I promise it's so good. So, I put about 6. And then I put a little bit of the juice in there. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna put one more. Okay, I put juice in there. Not a little bit. Okay. And it's so tangy, it's so good. So we're gonna let that sit on high until about noon. And then I'm gonna just put it on low for the rest of the day. So I will be back here in a little bit and check on it. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, like I said, I would be checking in with you whenever I turn there's Mr. Tripod in the back. Whenever it's about noon, I was going to turn this off high. The reason why I turned on high for a little bit, okay, I was having issues with it not shredding very good. And then one day I accidentally forgot. What? I forgot something? Holy cow. Yes, I forgot to put it on. So I turned it on high and then we left. Actually turned it on high for quite a while. And then whenever we got home, about 3 o'clock, I turned it on low and let it cook until that evening. And it shredded like crazy. It was very good. So, yes, I put it on high and then I'm going to drop it to low here in just a second. But here's what it looks like so far. and it smells so good. So this is hard to do one-handed.
But these feels, they come and go, and they come so
Low and slow. We don't have any sports, so we can let it cook as long as we want to tonight. I always make it with mashed potatoes, and I use the juices and make a gravy with it. But I use a gravy pack. I use the country style. No, wait, that's not right. Oh, I gotta get a gravy pack. But you can use that. The juice, like I use half a cup of juice and then half a cup of water. Then you can mix a little bit of cornstarch in there with it, and it'll thicken up. And you don't have to get a gravy mix. But I might go ahead and grab one if I see one today. I've just got to go drop off some bows at the post office and meet a girl to pick up some bows. So, yeah. Then whenever I start cooking mashed potatoes, corn, and possibly mac and cheese, I will come back and you can cook the rest of dinner with me. So, see you in a little bit.
easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
traveling mountains just to find.
You always want to get the one with the rubber. Okay, so I have brown gravy mix.
Out his tears. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hire.
I used a half a cup of the juice from the thing, the roast, and then I used a half a cup of water.
But we didn't know that yet.
And we're just waiting for Seth to get home.
If you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
And all I did to the roast was I pulled it out, and you seen me pushing my tongs and it just shredded right apart. That's the way I like it personally. Alright, it's starting to thicken up. So I'm gonna shut it off the lid on it, and wait for everybody to come home. Yep. See how it's not sounding like water anymore? Sounds like gravy. Alright. So that is done. Turn that off. Everything is done. I know I didn't talk you through how I make mashed potatoes, but it's pretty simple. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder. Boil until they're done. And then I just pop them into my KitchenAid mixer so I can be doing other things. If you have any questions and you want to see other cooking videos, yeah, just leave them down in the comments. I'll probably pop in a few other videos of us eating and stuff, and like it all put together. And we're gonna have s'mores tonight, so I might put in a few videos of that. So keep watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We'd love for you to join our tribe. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. How is it, Aubrey?
Good.
Not a damn brave.
Yeah. Marshmallow puppets. Marshmallow puppets. We're good. Is it better if you put it in the fire?
No, you want it like just outside of it.
Or like right above it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like it.
How do you like your... What was that
Hold it
face
out.
for?
Further back.
What was that?
Here.
Where are you sitting, Mom?
I like mine golden, not burnt. Let me see if that's...
Hey.
So what do you want to say to the people?
I'm wearing a choker and I'm wearing a Halloween and I'm wearing new earrings that my mommy made me one. And she made another one for me. I don't know what it's called.
Rose gold.
Rose gold.
How is it over there, Jake?
Why'd you do that?
Why'd I do what?
Is it hip?
Show me how to live my life.
Yeah. Can you feel it?
Filming this? Of course you are. Why wouldn't you?
Wait, I want to add something. I want to add something.
Do you think my father is crazy? Yes. Yes, we do.
Your fist race? Do you think your dad's crazy?
I think my dad.
What are you doing, Jake? Is it hot over there?
Yeah.
It's hot over here.
What was
Don't
that?
talk like that, Aubrey.
It's hot over here.
English.
Come on, baby.
Well,
You're 6 now.
I guess I should make me a s'more.
Oh, great. It's on my mustache already.
What is Jake doing?
Looks like a 45-year-old computer salesman over there.
Are you going to eat us more, Mom? You eating us more?
Thing to say. Subscribe.
Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and peace.
And peace. Tell them to subscribe, Aubrey.
Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.
I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy